It wasn't fireworks, no starry night, just your smile that caught my sight. Your laugh danced like a breeze so true. That's how I fell in love with you. Not a fairy tale, no grand display, just your touch that lit my way. Your voice, the song I never knew. And that's how I fell in love with you. Falling fast, but it felt so slow, like a river where the heart must go. Golden leaves, they fall around, crunch beneath as we walk through town. Chilly breeze, it kisses our skin. Autumn days, let the cozy begin. Sweaters on and scarves wrapped tight, laughing under the fading light. Pumpkin spice and fireside heat, autumn walks on old cobbled streets, dancing in the autumn sun. Every moment filled with fun, holding hands in the crisp, cool air. Autumn love with you I share. Maple trees in red and gold, stories of the days of old. Warm cider in a rustic mug, autumn days, they feel like a hug. Nights grow long, but hearts stay bright. Candles glow, a perfect sight. Underneath the harvest moon, autumn days end way too soon. Dancing in the autumn sun, every moment filled with fun, holding hands in the crisp, cool air. Autumn love with you I share.
Morning light, it warms the room. Coffee brews, it fills the air. Soft and slow, the day unfolds. Let's just take a break and stare. Blanket hugs will stay right here. Books and stories, dreams we share. No rush, no noise, just you and me. Wrapped in warmth without a care. Cozy day, just you and I. In this moment, time will fly. Hold my hand, we'll drift away. In this gentle calm, we'll stay. Whispers low and candles bright. Shadows dance in twilight.
油そばのなんか普通さ袋から出してからじゃない
Wake up to the light, heartbeat taking flight. Every breath feels right. Morning's gentle bite. Steps on city streets, rhythm in my feet. Sun's touch feels so sweet. Life is on repeat. Whispered sunshine warms me up. Fill my soul, fill my cup. Every moment in between is where I find my dream. Laughter fills the air, troubles nowhere near. Joy beyond compare. In the now and here, time flows softly by underneath the sky. Every glance a sigh in this tranquil high. Whispered sunshine warms me up. Fill my soul, fill my cup. Every moment in between is where I find my dream.